Hello everybody, I'm back again. This is the season of the people want to repotting the bonsai. Firstly, we need to understand why we need the repotting the bonsai. It's not go by like what date, what time you have to do it, because it's really depend on the material and depend on the season, depend on the soil system, depend on the plant material, and every plant, every variety plant grow different way. So why we need to repot it back again? Because pretty much every inches the tree grow right here, the root system also develop certain size of the root system, but right here we can clip the tree, but the root system right here we cannot pruning the root system immediately. Of course you can take it out and you're going to pruning the root system, but that's not the good idea. That's why we always select the certain size of the container to compare with the size of the tree, so let the root system can develop. We may repotting this very soon, but it's kind of our schedule. Hopefully next time when we're repotting this, we're going to put in the channel too, so you can see how to do it. If you can come over to help, that would be great. You know, we need to repot it. How do you know this plant if we really need repotted? Couple ways you can study. So I have a metal stick right here. If I put the root system right here, see, this is impossible. It's impossible putting down in the bottom right there. That means we'll be blocking them. When you water the plant, they're going to blocking the water, not evenly develop the soil system right here to get the moisture. You can see here how difficult is this one. So this kind of condition, there's a one, you need to repot it. Two, looking at when you water the plant, so the water not go through well. We're going to put the water right now. You can see here when you water the plant, see here the water, some of them just go through the other side. Even they go through here, they maybe only go to the certain corner, but down right here maybe still dry. So carefully about that. See here how much water drip on from here. That means you need to repot it. We just used the big tree as an example, showing how to get why we need to repot it, because get the root bound. Same thing, this is a small tree. Of course, it's better than the big one, but you can see here what's mean the root bound. See the root? Tangled right there. When this tree is to grow, they grow same thing on the root system too. So this is really hard. It's better than the other one there. But you can see I'm going to water this plant right here. So I'm stop watering. You can see the bottom still dry. They only go to certain corner, but see here, we need more water to get the water to supply to everywhere. But you can see here, even water like this, still dry. That means the blocking the roots right here. Look at this size. You water again. Yes, you can water like this longer. You can wet, but this is not good either. Look at this, it's still wet, still dry. Still dry. Not much. And you can see here how much water drop on the bottom right here. You can see here, they're not really taking the water for this tree. Still dry. That means you get the root bound. So we need to open up this root system right here, repot it. It's not, remember, not go by 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. It's really dependent on the plant. So do some testing with the metal stick like this, and also pour the water and make sure, of course the big one you cannot take it out like this, but you can take a look. Then when you water the plant, the water maybe not go through in the center and out from the side. That's the time you need to repot it. This tree is approximately 3 to 4 years old. They never repotted. They're still in a commercial supply with the plastic pot like this. So that's why I get the root bound. When you get the root bung of the plant, what we need to do, try to do on the bottom part right here. Open up step by step. Then the root will be losing pretty soon. You can see how much root right here. Of course, this is the commercial supply. They're not really using the bonsai soil. And you can see here, we need to open up this, especially open up this part right here too. And both sides, any side. Then we can open the space and install this in the container. You can see let the root system develop from different direction. Now we're preparing for the repotted. After you open up the root and clipping back a little bit to overgrow, and you can see this is really quite open, and try to open up the root system, install in this container right here. Of course, we already have to prepare the lava rock on the bottom, soil mix for the bonsai, and we're going to install like this. And we use the soil to plant the plant, hold your tree firmly, it's nice to have a turntable like this. And make sure hold the tree firmly, and also use the stick, metal stick, make sure there's no air pocket in between the root system, because air pockets sometimes will be damage to the tree too. So it's very easy, but we're using the small size to introduce to you, explain to you why we need to repot it. Again, everybody have a different experience and different kind of tree and different timing to grow and repotting the pot. And the big tree like this, you want to repot it, this probably take you 2 to 3 hours, even longer. This is probably 15 inches container like this. In general, by the climate in our Pacific Northwest right here, probably 3 to 4 years, you should consider repotted. It's not necessary, have to be. Even you using the right soil system, but because you have a good weather, climate, or you get to use the good fertilizer, they maybe grow faster. So nobody can answer that question. But 3 to 4 years, you need to consider the repotting the tree. You not necessarily have to be repotted every year, and that will be damage the tree. Look at this. After we repot it, you can see the water is quite different than before the repotted. Wherever you have water like here, the water just go through the bottom. Of course, we just potted, but you can see we need a lot of water for the small tree like this. On the last channel, we put it on never have the problem with the overwater, because if you have a good soil system, that would be good. Now, how much water we put right there? Still not coming up yet. So they need a lot of moisture. They take a lot of water for this tree. I believe pretty soon. Now they're dripping water from the bottom. That means you have a good enough water. This is what my experience. Hope you like it, and if you can subscribe it, put like, I appreciate it. We're going to post this information almost every week, and hopefully see you again soon. Thank you for watching.